Now you're inside Andromeda. Stars rush past in every direction, and the closer you move toward the core, the brighter it gets. Not from one source, but from countless stars crowded together. Gravity is stronger here, pulling everything inward, and buried in that glow is the final destination, the supermassive black hole at the center. Right ahead is the core, a dense cluster of stars packed so tightly their light blends into one bright region. This is the heart of Andromeda, held together by gravity. And hidden in the very center of that glow is the anchor of the galaxy, a supermassive black hole. As we move deeper into that bright core, it becomes almost impossible to see what's hiding in the middle. The light is so dense, so crowded, that it washes everything out. But that blinding glow has a center, and at that center is the target, M31 star, the supermassive black hole of Andromeda. You don't see the black hole the way you see a planet. What you see is everything around it, gas and dust being pulled inward, heating up as it spirals faster and faster, turning the area into a bright, violent ring. The darkness is there, buried behind the glare like a missing piece of the universe. And the closer we get, the more gravity starts bending the light itself, warping the scene like space is being stretched around something that refuses to be seen. Prepare yourself. We're going even closer now, slow and steady. This region is unstable, and the closer we get, the harder it becomes to keep our instruments clean. Gravity is extreme, radiation is intense, and the signal may start to break up. From here on, even light doesn't travel the way you expect. The black hole finally reveals itself, a deep, dark oval carved into the bright chaos around it. That edge you're seeing is the event horizon, the point where escape stops being possible. And the light wrapped around it isn't coming from the black hole. It's coming from matter being torn apart and superheated as it spirals in, glowing like a ring of fire around a darkness that refuses to reflect anything back. Keep the approach slow. You're entering the zone where gravity starts to twist the scene around you. The stars won't sit where they should anymore. Light is being bent into curves, stretched into arcs, pulled into strange shapes as space itself warps. You may notice the signal getting unstable. That's expected. The closer you get, the more the black hole's environment interferes with everything, the intense radiation, the turbulent flow of hot material. We thought we lost you for a second there. Welcome back. This mission was a success. Prepare yourself. There are more adventures waiting among the galaxies.